In 3, 2, 1. Introduce me to your family. Watch my favorite shows on your TV. Made me breakfast in the morning when you got home from work. Making plans to travel around the world. Said we'd always put each other first. No love songs we used to play too. Funny now I hate you. Now I remember when you called me late at night, and I gave you my hours advice to try to fix you and all your daddy issues. But now I don't even miss you anymore. So I want all the tears back that I cried. All the hours spent giving advice and how to write your songs, and all you did was prove me wrong. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Should've paid attention to my friends telling me how bad it's gonna end, and always giving their opinions. Now I wish I would have listened. I could say I'm sorry, but I'm not. You don't deserve one thing that you lost. Now I remember when you called me late at night, and I give you my hours of advice to try to fix you and all your daddy issues. But now I don't even miss you anymore. So I want all the tears back that I cried. All the hours spent giving advice on how to write your songs, and all you did was prove me wrong. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Ooh, your fingers crossed. Ooh, your fingers crossed. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. Ooh, your fingers crossed. Ooh, your fingers crossed. When you said you loved me, well, you must have had your fingers crossed. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Fingers Crossed by Lauren Spencer Smith on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics shows me that over 70% of you that watch these videos and also come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please don't be a part of that 70%. Come join the 30%, and let's make that number go bigger by hitting the red subscribe button below. Make sure to double check down below. If it is red, click it, it will turn gray, and you'll be part of the uke fam. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, let me tell you, it's a thin embodied, look at that, bam, Kumu tenor ukulele. It does have a built-in pickup, so you can change the effects right on this uke. You don't need to plug it into an amp to change the effects. It's absolutely amazing. If you watch my channel for a little bit, you know that I love to actually play this specific uke because it sounds amazing. I'll leave a link down below if you do want to go check this out, the Kumu ukulele. They also do have my signature ukulele, which is in the background. I'll put a picture of it right here. Bam! That is my signature ukulele with Leolani, and I got to design the entire thing. So if you want to get my signature uke, it's a concert size. Again, I'll leave that down also below, so make sure to check the description box below for all the good stuff. Also, if you do want to support this channel and get some merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hat, we also do have the Potato Squad merch. That will be linked down below as well. And also all of my socials, everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And also, please, please, please leave your comments for song recommendations in the comments below. I love listening to your recommendations, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your video, so you never know. So make sure to leave those down below. But again, that is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Bye.